Hi everyone, this is Dr. Harish Rawat, International Laughter Yoga Guru, and I am proud TCSS. Hope you all are happy and healthy. Before start the session, we are doing 3 time Om chanting. So are you ready for that? Yes, wonderful. Then close your eyes. Take a long deep breath in and let go. One more deep breath in and let go. Om. Om. Every incoming breath, energize yourself. Every outgoing breath, relax your body and mind. Be with the breath and slowly open your eyes with smile. So friends, first of all we know what is laughter yoga, what is laughter therapy. Anyone have any idea? Yes. Laughter yoga is a voluntary laughter where we can laugh without any reasons, jokes, humor. Just laugh for no reason. Now we talk about science behind laughter yoga. When we laugh, we feel happy. How many feel happy? Yes, all of us, right? And why we feel happy? Because our brain release happiness hormone that's called endorphin, and nowadays we are forget to release this happiness hormone. We have lot of stress, lot of work stress, lot of different type of stress, so we are forget how to laugh, how to reduce this, how to release this happiness hormone. So due to this laughter therapy we can release these happiness hormones. So are you ready for that? Yes. Wow, wonderful. So what are the health benefit of laughter therapy? Nowadays very important health benefit. It's increase immunity. This is immunity booster. Laughter therapy is an immunity booster. Laughter is the best medicine. It's a very good cardiovascular exercise. It's increase our blood circulation. It's increase blood circulation of our brain. Our brain needs 30% oxygen supply, more than 30% oxygen supply in brain, and laughter therapy helps in that. So it's increase the productivity, right? It's helps in our weight loss program, muscular exercise. It's very important in stress, anxiety, insomnia. Lot of health benefits are there. So are you ready for that? Say yes. Wow, 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 wow. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So let's start. Let's start with clapping. So everyone clap with laughter. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Now we can add chanting in that, in clapping. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 Close your eyes and take a long deep breath in. Feel the sensation and let go. One more deep breath in and let go. Slowly and gradually open your eyes with smile. Very good, very good. Yay! Now the next exercise is greeting laughter yoga. Nowadays Namaskar is globally accepted, and Namaskar means I and we are together to bow down the soul, right? So are you ready for the greeting laughter yoga? Yes? Yes? Great, 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 great. So wonderful. Let's. Very good, very good. Yay! Nowadays we are mostly invest our time in phone calls, right? So next laughter yoga is phone laughter yoga. So we can take virtual phones and laugh. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Next laughter exercise is Wi-Fi laughter yoga. Wi-Fi is very important for us nowadays. So these are our signal, and we can go and laugh. And signal lost and signal get. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Now the last exercise we are doing activity. So I request you all, please switch on your cameras and mic. We all laugh together, dance together, laugh, dance together, right? So are you ready for that? Yes. Wow, 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 wow. Switch on your cameras. Yes, wonderful, wonderful. And
Yo, 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 yo! This is yoga song! Keep singing great song! I am laughing, ha ha ha! You start laughing, ha ha ha! Everybody, ha ha ha! Come on, buddy, ha ha ha! Wake up in the morning and laugh, ha ha ha! While yawning, just laugh, ha ha ha! Stretch your limbs and just laugh, ha ha ha! Looking into the mirror, laugh, ha ha ha! While looking at the sun, laugh, looking at the light, laugh, looking at the rays, laugh, ha ha ha! Go in the bathroom and laugh, ha ha ha! See 30 looking and laugh, ha ha ha! While brushing the teeth, laugh, ha ha ha! While spitting the best, laugh, ha ha ha! While moving the body, laugh, taking the shower, laugh, rubbing the towel, laugh, ha ha ha! While drinking the coffee, laugh, ha ha ha! While having breakfast, laugh, ha ha ha! While putting on clothes, laugh, ha ha ha! While combing the hair, laugh, ha ha ha! While finding the socks, laugh, wearing the shoes, laugh, running the bag, laugh, ha ha ha!
hope you all enjoy the laughter dance, laughter session. So just take a promise. We can laugh 10 to 15 minutes every day, right? So goodbye. Keep laughing.